Professor M. Moni, the former Director General of NIC, who has been a standing patron, a consistent patron of ours, to receive a token of thanks from Sushil sir. I would also like to take this opportunity, take a bit of liberty of your time before we break for high tea, to request Professor Moni to hand over the certificate of participations to the faculty members who participated in the workshop this morning for the eGov campus program. Many faculty members are standing patiently for receiving their certificates of participation. Under this eGov campus initiative, we are assessing one or the other mission mode projects. These campuses would be assessing them through an assessment framework. They would also be creating a eGov dashboard of a district or a division of their choice. And we are creating a framework whereby e-governance projects, some definitions of it can flow from DITI through NIC to these campuses down the line. So I would like to request Professor Moni to please hand over the certificate of participations to Mr. Gurvinder Pal Singh Sidhu of Baba Farid Group of Institutions. So please line up fast because Mr. Pushpendra Niranjan of Kali Charan Nigam Institute of Technology. Next in line, Mr. Pushpendra Niranjan. Third in line, yeah. Dr. Bhavna Suri of Bhagwan Parashuram Institute of Technology. Please. Mr. R.C. Bharani of Bhagwan Parashuram Institute of Technology. I think ma'am has left. And Mr. Shailendra Gaur of Bhagwan Parashuram Institute of Technology. Mr. T. Hitendra Sharma of Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology. Shri Satyabrata Das of Orissa Engineering College. Mr. V. Ravindra Krishna Chandar of Pavai Engineering College. Mr. Kishore Kumar Panthi of CT Institute of Engineering, Management and Technology. Professor Anil Kumar of Manipal University, Jaipur. Mr. Arindam Mondal of RCC Institute of Information Technology. And Mr. Hrishikesh Bhaumik of RCC Institute of Information Technology. I would now request my colleague and Director Relationships, Mr. Ravi Pokharna, to please present a token of thanks to the Honorable Convener, Mr. Sushil Kumar Singh. Sir's blessings have been with us for a long time. He has been a patron, consistent patron. Before I request Sushil sir to give his presidential address on this entire Engineering Excellence Award as to how it is structured, how many times he wrote to the Honorable President, how many times he visited the Rashtrapati Bhavan to advocate for the cause and case of engineering excellence in this country, Sushil sir, when we inaugurated the first issue of Engineering Watch on Engineers Day last year, he recognized even the karigars and the kamgars working in the lowermost hinterland as engineers themselves. He belongs to a party which has an engineer chief minister and the engineer party president. So before I invite Sushil sir to give his presidential address, I would like to give a special vote of thanks, a citation of thanks to Mr. Mendu Chakrapani, whose efforts and whose support has been very, very vital in the organization of this entire Engineering Excellence Awards. I would request Mendu sir to please receive a token of thanks from Sushil sir and say a few words. And then I will Mendu, so would you like to say?
Good evening all. I am Mendu Chakrapani. I am Joint GM Ircon International. Thanks to Engineering Watch team, Mr. Raghav Mittal and Mr. Ravi Pokrana, doing good work and giving a citation to me. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. Now I will request Sushil sir to please give his presidential address. Thank you.
इंजीनियरिंग वॉच की तरफ से इस उत्कृष्ट आयोजन के लिए मैं अपने छोटे भाई राघव मित्तल जी, रवि जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। जूरी के सभी मानद सदस्य और सम्मानित ऑडियंस, इन छोटे भाइयों ने, जिनकी उम्र बहुत छोटी यानी कम, इनका समूह बहुत छोटा, इनका अनुभव बहुत कम, लेकिन इनका प्रयास बहुत बड़ा और इनका काम बहुत ही सराहनीय है। इस बात के लिए मैं इनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इस इवेंट के माध्यम से इन लोगों ने इंजीनियरिंग के क्षेत्र में इंजीनियरिंग की शिक्षा, बड़ी बड़ी संरचनाओं के निर्माण और बहुत ही काम और उपयोगी चीज़ों को बनाने वाली संस्थाओं को और उनको यहाँ सम्मानित और प्रतिष्ठित करने का काम किया है। मेरी तरफ से सब लोगों से ये अपील होगी कि इन लोगों को बहुत प्रोत्साहित किया जाना चाहिए, इनको हर तरफ से सपोर्ट और समर्थन मिलना चाहिए ताकि ये इस तरह के अच्छे काम आगे भी करते रहें। धन्यवाद।
Thanks a lot, sir. It would not have been possible without you. I request all the awardees, all the dignitaries to please join us for high tea, which is being served. Thanks a lot for making it to this Engineering Excellence Awards 2013 award ceremony. We hope and we are determined to make it much more prestigious next year with more awards, with more engineering marvels to celebrate. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Asking for badge, carry the
देखो तुषार would be having it.